Here's how to survive and actually enjoy your first trip with a baby. First, pack light. Only bring what you need for your baby. No need to bring the kitchen sink or the whole house. You can always do laundry on the go. Second, bring a carrier. This will make your life so much easier, especially when you're traveling with a newborn. A carrier allows you to keep your baby close while still being able to walk around and explore. Third, don't overschedule. Overpacking is the #1 cause of stress when traveling with a baby. So leave some room in your itinerary for spontaneity. And don't forget to book your flights and accommodation in advance. Fourth, be prepared for anything. Always have a backup plan in case your flight gets canceled or your baby gets sick. This will help you stay calm and focused on the present moment. And fifth, take lots of pictures. You'll want to remember this trip forever, so make sure to capture all the special moments. But also put the camera down and enjoy the moment. Don't forget to live in the moment and enjoy your first trip with your baby.